In the previous video, we have introduced a general knowledge of the battery cells and battery packs in the industrial and commercial energy storage system. As the core part of the energy storage system, good battery cells and battery packs directly affect the service life and efficiency of the entire energy storage system, and even personal and property safety. Also, each component in the system has a huge impact in the energy storage system, which cannot be ignored. In this video, I will introduce each component we configured in the energy storage system in detail. EPO, emergency switch, mainly used to cut off the system power supply in an emergency. Terminal block, connects the wires, performs signal transfer and power distribution, and plays the role of a control circuit. PLC, communicates with the management system, EMS, to obtain real-time status information of the battery cell, including voltage, current, temperature, etc., to ensure the safe operation of the battery pack. Power supply, equivalent to a small transformer, which converts 220 volt voltage into 24 volts to match the voltage of the terminal. Fuse, plays a core role in protecting electrical equipment, ensuring safe operation of the system, improving system reliability, and reducing maintenance costs. The fuse automatically melts when the current exceeds the rated value, cutting off the power supply, thereby protecting the equipment from damage. It may seem complicated, but if you clarify the area that each accessory is responsible for, you can understand it clearly and intuitively. The accessory we are looking at now is the back of the LCD. The LCD is used to read and record the real-time data of the entire battery pack and even each battery cell, such as voltage, power, temperature, and operating status. Through the LCD display, we can view the real-time data of the entire system through the LCD display on the outside of the cabinet without opening the cabinet. At the same time, it also plays a monitoring role. If there is an abnormal situation inside the system, it will immediately turn on the alarm state. The area we are explaining now is the main control box of the entire system. The rack-mounted battery packs at the upper end of the system are connected in series to form power lines of total positive and total negative, which extend to the lower end to connect to the main control box. The one below is the inverter. The advantage of stacking them together is to improve space utilization and reduce errors. The main function of this liquid cooling system is to cool the entire industrial and commercial storage system through the flow of liquid. The one below is the switch of the liquid cooling system, which controls the operation of the liquid cooling system. The one in the middle is the lightning protection device, which mainly guides the current generated by lightning into the ground through the lightning. Induction device to avoid direct damage to buildings, power systems, and electronic equipment by lightning current. The one above is the leakage protection switch. When there is an electric shock on the power consumption side or the load side, or there is a leakage current to the ground, the power supply is automatically turned off to protect personal safety. The black switch on the far left is the main switch of the entire system, which controls the input and output of the entire system. After our analysis of the structure of the industrial and commercial energy storage system, I believe that everyone has a certain understanding of the industrial and commercial energy storage system. In the video explaining to you, these industrial and commercial energy storage systems are all customized solutions based on the needs of our customers. In fact, the development of industrial and commercial energy storage systems has become increasingly mature and more diversified, and can be flexibly formulated according to customer needs. In the field of customized energy storage systems, MeriTech has always been far ahead and has been recognized and praised by customers in many countries. We are also happy to share these valuable experiences with everyone to promote the development of the new energy industry. Join us, let us work together for the world's new energy industry. Thanks for watching our video this time. Please leave a comment or contact us directly. See you in the next video.